I'm currently here in Hanoi Airport. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get from the airport to the train station in Hanoi. So when you come out from the arrival hall, and there are many money changers next to it, you just have to check which rate is the best for you. For me, I already bought my SIM card online at Cloak, so I just need to collect it. There you go, even got TV. Need to go to the left, to the end, to the Vietnam Post. Okay. Just collected the SIM card that I bought on Cloak, and the collection location has changed. It's now on the first floor, called Vietnam Tourist SIM. Okay, so this is where you collect the SIM card you bought on Cloak. Collected the SIM card, and now I'm heading towards the city. So once come up, it's so foggy. So the bus to the station is 86. Bus 86 is going to the station, train station, 45,000. They haven't collected the money, so I guess we pay when we get off the bus. So the bus goes from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1, then only go to the city center. I just arrived at Hanoi Station. I just took the bus from the airport all the way to Hanoi Train Station. It's only 45,000 dong. This is the Hanoi Train Station. My train is night time. So I have plenty of time to explore this area. So I'm going to take a night train from here to Lao Cai, then take a bus from Lao Cai to Sapa. They have the local Highlands coffee. The main hall. This is the train station. So there is a luggage storage area. 80,000. Less than 4 hours. Then 4 hours. The lady and the information say if I leave the luggage to them is 80,000. So this is the ticket hall. Driver. So I'll come back later when the train is ready for boarding.